This how-to video is going to go over how to change the isolation code on your coordinator. So this could be a situation where technicians asked you to switch your isolation code of your coordinator and your modules on the floor because we're getting interference from something else on that 900 megahertz signal, or maybe you have added a new coordinator to your system and it needs to be on a separate channel from the one that already exists. The way you would do that is through selecting the core software right here off your welcome page. And then from this home page here, where we want to be is under administration, we want to be in system settings, where you can select that from here. Basically, once you're on the system settings page, we're looking for the service. From the service, we want to select coordinators. From here, we want to select the coordinator that we're either trying to change or update, however that works. So this one here, it's on ISO code 3. Say I want to go flip it over to ISO code 1. I'm just going to hit save and exit. It's going to tell me that I need to restart the service. Say yes. Then I'm going to have my service here. I'm going to hit stop. And it's going to tell me the service is stopped. I'm going to give it a start button. If you don't have a start button, you can just hit refresh until you do. Once you have it, hit start. And then you should have a square here. If you don't, you can hit the refresh until you get it. Now if we go back to system settings, we go to our service, we go to coordinators, select our coordinator, we can see that it is now set to isolation code number. That'll conclude this video on how to change the isolation code on a coordinator. Look forward to talking to you again.